Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the difference between Crohn's disease as well as ulcerative colitis. So, first of all, we will talk about the most common site. The most common site where we talk about Crohn's disease, it is ileum. Whereas the most common site when we talk about ulcerative colitis, it is rectum followed by colon. Now we will talk about the HLA association. In Crohn's disease, the HLA association is HLA-DR1, whereas in ulcerative colitis, the HLA association is HLA-DR2, CD4, Th2 type cells. Okay. Now we will talk about the risk factor related to Crohn's disease. Smoking is a risk factor in Crohn's disease, whereas smoking is protective in ulcerative colitis. This is a very important point, that is a distinguished feature between both of them. There is no relation with appendicectomy in Crohn's disease, whereas there is relation with appendicectomy in ulcerative colitis. Now we will talk about the extraintestinal features including them. The extraintestinal features in Crohn's disease include uveitis, cholangitis, ankylosing spondylitis, migratory polyarthritis. Whereas in ulcerative colitis, there is one major extraintestinal feature, that is primary sclerosing cholangitis. Clinical features. Clinical features include ileocolitis, abdominal pain, relieved with diarrhea, small bowel diarrhea, fever, weight loss, malabsorption and thickening of the wall. Whereas in ulcerative colitis include major proctitis, large bowel diarrhea, tenesmus, fecal calprotectin or fecal lactoferrin, and velvety red edematous rectum. This is the main clinical feature which we can see. Involving the depth. The depth of Crohn's disease is transmural or segmental, whereas depth of ulcerative colitis is submucosal. Endoscopic features includes aphthous and serpiginous ulcers, rose thorn appearance, string sign, cobblestone appearance, creeping fat and thick and rubbery bowel. Whereas the endoscopic features of ulcerative colitis include erythematous mucosa with a granular surface, loss of vesicular markings, increased friability of mucosa, hemorrhage as well as edema. Now the histopathological findings of Crohn's disease include non-caseating granuloma. This is a very important point, that is non-caseating granuloma is seen in Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. It is seen in Crohn's disease. Cryptitis, cryptapsis and pyloric metaplasia is also seen. When we talk about ulcerative colitis, it includes ulcer, that is more prominent, a distinguished feature for ulcerative colitis. No granuloma. Here non-caseating granuloma, but here no granuloma can be seen. Backwash ileitis, cryptitis and abscess are more prominent. This is also a main feature of ulcerative colitis, cryptitis and abscess, and Paneth cell metaplasia. Now we will talk about the barium contrast. On barium contrast, we can see string sign, horse pipe or garden hose appearance. When we talk about ulcerative colitis, it shows lead pipe and horse pipe appearance. Increased risk of fissures and fistula is seen in which? Increased risk of fissures, fistula and strictures are very high for Crohn's disease, whereas less risk for ulcerative colitis. Cancer association is more and more in ulcerative colitis, whereas cancer is less in Crohn's disease. C for cancer, C for Crohn's disease, less cancer. Anti-sarcomere cerevisiae antibodies can be positive in Crohn's disease, whereas p-ANCA and anti-goblet cell antibodies can be positive for ulcerative colitis. Now we will talk about treatment. In treatment, divided into mild, moderate and severe. Mild to moderate, we can give budesonide. In moderate to severe, we can give prednisolone plus methotrexate, and in severe, we can give anti-alpha, TNF-alpha plus IV steroids. Ulcerative colitis treatment include mild 5-amino salicylic acid. In moderate, it can be 5-amino salicylic acid plus oral steroids plus azathioprine can be given. In severe cases, we can give IV steroids and anti-TNF alpha. If you find this video very much informative, subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you so much.